Flower bed designs made easy, perfect ideas budding gardeners. Are you a budding gardener with a passion for stunning flower bed designs? Look no further. In this article, we will explore some easy creative ideas to transform your outdoor space into a floral paradise. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a beginner, these tips and tricks will help you create a garden design that will leave everyone in awe. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Planning your flower bed designs. Before diving into the world of flower bed designs, it's essential to plan your garden layout. Consider the size and shape of your outdoor space, as well as the amount of sunlight it receives. This will help you choose the right flowers and plants that thrive in specific conditions. Make a list of your favorite flowers and research their watering and sunlight requirements to ensure they will flourish in your garden. Choosing the right flowers. When it comes to flower bed designs, the possibilities are endless. From vibrant annuals to elegant perennials, there's a wide range of flowers to choose from. Opt for a mix of colors and textures to create an eye-catching display. Some popular flower choices include roses, tulips, daisies, and lilies. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different combinations. Creating beautiful garden borders. To give your flower beds a polished look, consider adding borders. This can be done using various materials such as stones, bricks, or even recycled materials like wine bottles. The border will not only define your flower bed but also prevent grass and weeds from encroaching. Get innovative and try out different border designs to add a unique touch to your garden. Incorporating vertical elements. Take your flower bed designs to new heights by incorporating vertical elements. Consider adding trellises, arches, or pergolas to create a stunning backdrop for your flowers. Climbing plants like morning glories and clematis can be trained to grow on these structures, adding an extra layer of beauty to your garden design. Adding outdoor decor. To enhance the overall appeal of your flower beds, don't forget to add some outdoor decor. From garden statues to decorative birdhouses, these elements can add personality and charm to your outdoor space. Consider incorporating items that reflect your personal taste and style. Get creative and make your flower beds a true reflection of your personality. With these easy and creative ideas, you're well on your way to creating stunning flower bed designs that will elevate your gardening experience. From planning and choosing the right flowers to incorporating vertical elements and adding outdoor decor, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So go ahead, unleash your inner gardener, and transform your outdoor space into a vibrant and blooming floral paradise. Happy gardening! Are you a plant enthusiast and a budding gardener looking to add a touch of beauty to your outdoor living space? Look no further. In this, we will explore easy and creative flower bed designs that will inspire your gardening journey. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, these ideas will help you transform your space into a floral paradise. So grab your gardening tools and let's get started. Flower bed designs for small spaces. If you're short on space, don't worry. You can still create stunning flower beds that will make a big impact. Consider vertical gardening by using hanging planters or wall-mounted flower boxes. This not only saves space, but also adds a unique element to your outdoor decor. Additionally, you can create tiered flower beds using different sized pots or containers to maximize your space. Play with colors on textures. Flower bed designs are all about creating visual interest. Experiment with a variety of flowers that bloom in different colors and textures. Mix vibrant annuals with delicate perennials to achieve a harmonious balance. Consider using color schemes like complementary or monochromatic to create a cohesive look. Don't forget to add some foliage plants for added depth and texture. Incorporate garden structures. To take your flower bed designs to the next level, consider incorporating garden structures such as arches, trellises, or pergolas. These structures not only provide support for climbing plants, but also add a touch of elegance to your garden design. Imagine vibrant flowers cascading down an arched entrance, or a fragrant climbing rose adorning a trellis. These structures can also serve as focal points in your garden. Low-maintenance flower bed ideas. For those with a busy schedule or limited gardening experience, low-maintenance flower bed designs are the way to go. Choose plants that are easy to care for and require minimal attention. Opt for native plants that are well suited to your climate and don't require excessive watering or fertilizing. Incorporate mulch to help retain moisture and suppress weed growth. This way, you can enjoy a beautiful flower garden without the hassle of constant maintenance. DIY gardening, get creative. One of the joys of gardening is the opportunity to get creative and showcase your own personal style. Consider upcycling old containers or repurposing items like tires or pallets to create unique flower beds. Use your imagination to mix and match different elements such as rocks, pebbles, or decorative accessories to add a touch of whimsy to your garden. The possibilities are endless, so don't be afraid to think outside the box. Flower bed designs offer a fantastic opportunity for budding gardeners to express their creativity and transform their outdoor spaces into beautiful floral havens. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, there are endless possibilities to explore. By incorporating these ideas, you can create stunning flower beds that will be the envy of your friends and neighbors. So grab your gardening tools, get your hands dirty, and let your imagination bloom. Happy gardening!